Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your sareeing world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a collection of fabulous hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees. These sarees are perfect for this wedding season. They are in amazing colors and designs. So let's get started with this collection. A Kanjivaram silk saree in a very rare combination. This one is in a unique short umber brown with a rust orange border. A Kanjivaram silk saree in a very rare color. This one is in a short umber brown color and there are zari buttas all over the body of the saree. The saree has rustish borders and there are Banaras motifs and Pakshi and Chakram motifs in zari. The short rust pallu of the saree has Pakshi and Yana, that is elephant motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in the same rustish color as the pallu. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with beautiful gold or diamond jewelry. A very festive, pretty and bridal Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a gorgeous orange rose. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree that is perfect for bridal occasions like engagement and unjal. This one is in a lovely short orange rose color. The body of the saree has small zari buttas and the borders have Pakshi motifs and Yana, that is elephant motifs in saree. The grand pallu of the sari has elaborate and intricate zari motifs of gudara, that is horses, yana, that is elephants, pakshis and diamond shaped motifs all done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a short orange or green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with bridal jewelry like diamond jewelry or gold jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a fantastic Mail Kazhuthu color. This one has a gorgeous border. A breathtaking Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of Mail Kazhuthu or the color of the peacock's neck. The body of the sari has circular zari motifs which enhances the look of the sari. The borders have Mailkand motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari has a combination of thread and zari bands. The sari has a rustish blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with gold or coral jewelry. A very pretty Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a rich purple and it has stripes running along the width of the sari. A lovely Kanjivaram silk sari and one of my absolute favorites. This one is in a deep rich purple and there are stripes running along the width of the sari. The sari has rettapete zari borders which make the sari very beautiful. The pallu of the sari has zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a mustard colored blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry or traditional gold jewelry. A pastel Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a lovely shade of mint green with meenakari work all over the body and it has a gorgeous green border. Another one of my favorite Kanjivaram silk saris. This one is in a very pretty pastel mint green. The body of the sari has meenakari zari motifs which make the sari very, very breathtaking. The borders are in a lovely and elegant sage green and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The sari has a dark green pallu with motifs in zari of gudara, that is horses, manga and circular motifs. The pallu makes the sari very unique and beautiful. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with simple gold jewelry. A fantastic rust orange Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has all over kattam or checks. An absolutely stunning Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a fabulous rust orange color and there are kattams or checks all over the body of the sari. The borders are rettapete borders with floral zari motifs which enhance the look of the sari. The sari has a short green selvage which gives a unique look to this beautiful sari. The pallu of the sari has zari bands. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with jade or green kemp jewelry. Our collection of Kanjivaram silk saris are carefully curated and they are perfect for all kinds of special occasions. To shop for our exquisite Kanjivaram silk saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.